The piece that I'm showing for the Biennale is called Echoes in the Skies. I think of it as a physical and spiritual architecture in that sense. I kind of create this work, which is something in between, like a spiritual journey that also kind of takes its shape as an architectural element. The story of the installation is that the birds of the world look for their king and they find their leader within themselves. So everything is kind of related to a journey about knowledge, about spirituality. The starting point in developing this work for the Biennale was actually this poem, The Conference of the Birds, because I thought it's a very nice metaphor that works very well with the topic of the Biennale. So the question was like, how do I bring these two aspects together? I ended up with the basic theme of the Mukarnas, because for me that is kind of an interesting interplay between mankind looking up above and trying to find something sublime in the heavens. You see something from afar and you kind of recognize a shape like a flock of birds that you see. But once you get yourself into the right position, everything kind of falls into place and you see this kind of heavenly pattern of a Mukarnas that is evolving above you. So that was actually the basic idea of my artwork.